What are the dangers of eating moldy bread? Hey! Subscribe to the channel, click on the bell and listen carefully. The basic danger of eating moldy bread is developing a stomach ache or an allergic reaction to the mold. There are cases where mold causes mycotoxins to form within the bread, presenting significant health threats to people who ingest them. These dangerous mold growths are indiscernible from harmless ones. Moldy bread produces physical side effects like stomach ache, dry or itchy mouth and allergic symptoms related to general mold sensitivity. In cases where toxins develop in conjunction with the mold, people are in greater danger of suffering from severe physical problems. It is not possible to tell by looking at mold growth whether these toxic substances are present. Mycotoxins come in a number of variations, including aflatoxin, citrinin, and ochratoxin. The toxic substances generated by mycotoxin fungal formations on bread cause issues like RNA synthesis depression, liver cancer, kidney failure, and death in more extreme cases. The presence of this mold in foods is often hard to detect. Other types of mycotoxins that appear in moldy bread attack the nervous system or cause fever-like symptoms. These substances must be consumed in moderate volumes to generate serious side effects, but it is still considered dangerous to ingest mycotoxins in any volume. Before applying these recommendations, consult your doctor. Put a like under this video, subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell and share this video with your friends.